Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste values without formula in Microsoft Excel. Open your Microsoft Excel worksheet. So if we copy this cell and paste it somewhere, you can see instead of getting the value, we ended up copying the formula. It can be a bit frustrating, especially when you just want the plain values. So to fix this, first select the cells you want to copy. Next, right click on the selected cells and click on copy. Next, select the destination cells where you want to paste the values. Right click on it. Instead of just pasting normally, under paste options, choose values. Now you can see that the values are pasted without the formulas. So that's how to copy and paste values without the formula in Excel. Thanks for watching.